Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence really is? Let's break it down in a way that's super easy to understand. Imagine a computer that can think and learn just like you. Sounds cool, right? That's AI. It's like giving machines a brain. But don't worry, they're not plotting world domination, at least not yet. So, how does it work? Picture this. AI takes a huge amount of data, like photos, texts, or sounds, and learns from it. It's kind of like how you learn to ride a bike. At first, you might wobble and fall, but with practice, you get better. AI does the same thing, adjusting and improving over time. Now, let's talk about some real life examples. Ever chatted with a virtual assistant like Gemini or ChatGPT? Yep, that's AI in action. They understand your voice, answer your questions, and even tell jokes. And how about Netflix? That recommendation system? You guessed it. AI helps it figure out what shows you'll love based on what you've already watched. But AI isn't just for entertainment. It's also used in healthcare, helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. Imagine a world where AI can analyze your medical history and predict health risks before they even happen. Now, what about self-driving cars? Yup, more AI magic happening there. These cars use AI to navigate the roads, recognize traffic signals, and even avoid obstacles. It's like having a super smart co-pilot. So, whether it's enhancing your favorite apps, improving healthcare, or driving you to work, AI is already part of our lives. And guess what? It's just getting started. The future is bright and AI is leading the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.